Hello teacher, I'm Hải Lam. One, two, one, two apples. One apple, two apples. Letter B sound b, 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 boy, b, b, bat. A boy with a bat. Hello, what's your name? I'm Jean. Hello, what's your name? I'm Rosie. Hello, what's your name? I'm Billy. Goodbye, goodbye. What color is it? It's red. It's green. It's blue. It's black. It's white. What color is it? It's red. What color is it? It's white. What color is it? It's blue. What color is it? It's black. What color is it? It's red.